Welcome to Lesson 1 of Tarot for Beginners. There is a workbook you can download for this course. If you like, pause now and find the link in the description. By the end of Lesson 1, you'll understand what tarot is, where it comes from, and how it helps you connect with intuition and insight. Curious about tarot, but not sure where to start? You're in the right place. Tarot can seem a bit mysterious at first, but it's actually a powerful tool for personal growth and insight. If you're here for fun or to explore deeper spiritual connections, this video will walk you through everything you need to know to get started. I'm Jennifer Knight, and I've been referencing tarot for inspiration and insight for decades. Over the years, I've seen how these 78 cards can spark clarity, encourage reflection, and guide us through life's twists and turns. Now, I know what you might be thinking. Is tarot about predicting the future? Or maybe it's only for people with special psychic abilities? Actually, tarot is for anyone. It's less about fortune telling and more about helping you tap into your intuition and gain clarity on life's questions. By the end of this video, you'll understand the basics of tarot, feel confident interpreting your first card spread, and maybe even discover a new passion. So grab your favorite deck, or borrow one if you're just exploring, and let's begin this journey together. First up, what exactly is tarot, and where did it come from? Let's take a quick look at its fascinating history and structure. Let's start with the basics. At its core, tarot is a deck of 78 cards, each rich with symbolism and meaning. It's been used for centuries as a tool for guidance, reflection, and self-discovery. But don't let its long history intimidate you. Tarot is accessible to everyone. Tarot originated as a card game in 15th century Europe. Over time, it evolved into a spiritual tool, especially with the introduction of the Rider-Waite deck in the early 20th century, which popularized many of the symbols we see today. Each card tells a story, and together they form a visual map of the human experience. A tarot deck is divided into two main parts, the Major Arcana and the Minor Arcana. The Major Arcana consists of 22 cards, representing significant life events and spiritual lessons. Think of them as the big milestones or turning points in your journey. The Minor Arcana, on the other hand, contains 56 cards divided into 4 suits: cups, wands, swords, and pentacles. These cards deal with everyday situations and emotions. Each suit is linked to an element. Cups represent water, emotions, and relationships. Wands symbolize fire, passion, and creativity. Swords are tied to air, thoughts, and challenges. Pentacles connect to earth, material things, and stability.